Hello, welcome. As you can see, this is a video with a cute baby in it, so you should watch it. Oh yeah. Alright. Well, this is my video, my first video for user support and user support class. And I'm going to be going through Windows 7 functionality and programs. To start with, I'm just going to briefly run through user account control. So, if you have Windows 7 and you are logged in Windows 7, go here to the Start menu, Control Panel, the User Account, Family Safety. Now, first, let's go to User Accounts and change User Account Control Settings. This is UAC for short, as you can see on my cheat sheet. And it's going to pop up a little thing where it's a slidey bar, and you can decide when you want the UAC to pop up. This is a Windows recommended, sort of all the time. And this is all the time for everything. Whenever you make any changes, or anybody makes changes, any user on your stuff, which can be super annoying. So this is a little bit better, but since I'm the administrator, it doesn't bother me as much. And a little bit less to notify me when I make changes. And then it doesn't at all. I mean, when you try to install software or anything, when you try to install that virus .doc .bat, then it won't say anything. But I'm going to keep it right here, and as you can see right next to this OK button, there's like a little shield. That's that's the same shield that's right here. Yeah, that means that it's user account controlled. It means when you push this OK button, you're pushing it as the administrator, making it OK. And then it'll pop up one of these things whenever you try to make Windows settings changes. As you can see, I didn't actually change it, but I did move it around a bit, and it messed with Windows. So it wants to know if I want to keep the settings that I just messed with. So I could click no, yes or no, and it would just go back to the default if I click no. But if I click yes, it'll save it, and then close that. Apple software update. I don't have Apple. Anyways, now I want it to change clock and regional settings. I don't think that's in here, but one of the things in the book said we should go through it, so let me go find it in the control panel. Clock, language, and region. Set date and time. And it's Thursday, June 7th, 2012 at 10:13 p.m. Oh, much past my bedtime. And we're in Mountain Time. You can change this, and once you change it to something, or you don't change it, whatever, if you change it, then it'll pop up the UAC, and it'll make it so that you can either change it as an administrator, or you can't change it if you're not an administrator. You don't have administrative rights, and this is one of the things you can't change, then it won't let you. So, these are clocks that you can have on your desktop or on the taskbar to show you different time zones. Anyways, you can change your time zone here to Central America, Guadalajara. Alright, and click apply, and notify me when the clock changes. And that's just to notify you when you go back an hour or forward an hour. Alright, well that was my first video, and there's some real basic stuff I'm going through here. UAC is something that just will always pretty much bother you. But with Windows 8 coming out, maybe we'll change that a little bit. Alright, well, thank you, and goodbye.